Hello! Welcome to the very first episode of English for Everyday Life, a podcast where we learn English together, slowly, clearly, and happily.
Yes, welcome. We are so happy you are here. I am Ali.
And I am Ina. We are your hosts and your teachers. We will be here with you every step of the way. Today, you will learn your first conversation in English. You will learn how to say hello, what your name is, and how to say goodbye. This is a very exciting first step.
Don't worry. We will practice many times. We will speak slowly, and we will always be here to help you. Are you ready?
Let's begin. The first word we will learn is the most important word. It is a friendly word. The word is hello.
Hello. Hello. We say hello when we see someone. Repeat after me. Hello. Hello.
Wonderful. You just said your first English word. Again, say hello.
Excellent. Now, another way to say hello is hi. Hi is a little more casual, a little more friendly. Repeat. Hi.
Perfect. So you can say hello or you can say hi. Both are great.
Now, after we say hello, we often say our name. To do that, we need a very important phrase. My name is.
My name is. Repeat this phrase. My name is.
Good. Now, let's use it. My name is Ali. So I say, my name is Ali. Say it with me. My name is Ali.
And my name is Ina. So I say, my name is Ina. Your turn. Say, my name is Ina.
Now, the most important part. You say your own name. Ready? Say, my name is, and then say your name.
Amazing! You just introduced yourself in English. That is a huge accomplishment. Let's do it one more time. Say, hello. My name is...
We are so proud of you. Now, after you tell someone your name, you want to ask for their name. The question is, what is your name?
What is your name? Repeat. What is your name?
Let's practice this question and answer together. Ina, I will ask you. Hello, what is your name?
Hello. My name is Ina. Now, Ali, I will ask you. Hi, what is your name?
Hi, my name is Ollie. Now it is your turn to practice. You will answer our question. Ready? We ask, hello, what is your name? You answer, hello, my name is...
Wonderful. You are having a conversation. Now let's learn one more friendly thing to say. After you learn someone's name, you can say, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Repeat. Nice to meet you.
Let's put the whole conversation together. Listen to Ali and me.
Hello, what is your name?
Hello, my name is Ina. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Did you hear that? Nice to meet you too. We say too when someone says nice to meet you to us.
Now you practice with us. Hi, what is your name?
Hello, my name is...
Ina.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. You did it! A full conversation.
And now we will respond. Nice to meet you too.
You did it! A full conversation.
Now every conversation must end, so we need to learn how to say goodbye. The most common word is goodbye.
Goodbye. Repeat. Goodbye.
Another very, very common word is bye. It's short and friendly. Repeat. Bye.
And a very nice thing to say is have a good day. This is a kind wish. Repeat. Have a good day.
Let's listen to a full conversation from start to finish.
Okay, listen. Hello.
Hi,
What is your name?
my name is Ina. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Goodbye, Ina.
Bye. Have a good day.
Beautiful. Now let's do a giant review of everything we learned today. We will say it and you repeat.
Hello. Hi. My name is... What is your name? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, too. Goodbye. Bye. Have a good day.
You have learned so much in this first episode. You can now have a simple, friendly conversation in English. This is an amazing start.
We are so proud of you. Please practice these phrases. Say them out loud. Talk to yourself in the mirror. This is how you will remember.
For our community question, we want to know, what country are you listening from? Please tell us in the comments. We are so excited to see our global classroom.
Thank you for learning with us. You are a wonderful student.
Keep practicing, and remember, we are here with you. See you in the next episode.
Goodbye.